Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. So this side as Rajput, I'm just telling about the Hcl onboarding update. There was a delay news for the candidate who have just received their onboarding offer letter for the joining of. So regarding the information, Hcl again delay the onboarding and delay again no confirmation for the joining. They have also not giving the date when they will be giving the onboarding for the upcoming month or upcoming days. So guys, I hope so you get the information from the company side also. Many candidates have received the mail regarding the onboarding delay and something like that. So just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog and press the bell icon for more notification. Let's go to the video about their classification public. Dear candidate, hope this mail find you well. We are excited to have join us and extend our warmest congratulations to you. We understand that Ganesh Chaturthi is just around the corner. It holds significant cultural importance to you and many others. Therefore, on the account of this, postponing your joining. Soon, your new offer letter will be released according to the new date of joining. Thanks for the patience and hiring process. We look forward to have on board. So, guys, just here mention about the postponing your joining. Soon your new offer letter will be get released according to the date of joining. So guys, they are just making the candidate in a batches manner. So they will be give you the onboarding in the first week of October session, most probably, because they are just changing their date of joining also, because in an offer letter they have just mentioned the date of joining, and according to the date of joining they will be giving the offer letter also. So guys, just if you are just in a free, so you can also upskill or like having a prepare yourself also for the more opportunity like having there those who have not receiving. So guys, just situation is going to be handled because Hcl is going to be giving the many candidate have received their about their documentation also, background verification also, because they have to upload your all the documentation in a mail. They have received yesterday also. Many candidate have received about the joining and the confirmation of the documentation, valid documentation, mark sheet, and all the bona fide from the college side also. So guys, you have to upload it within a given day also. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.